Our small learning environment allows us the flexibility to be innovative.
This is where children do not fall through cracks.
It's a lot more personalized here, especially since we have a lot less students.
It is very centered around you.
A lot of staff here who will tell you what things will be like in the actual college side.
Collaboration kind of starts on the first day.
What sets us apart is we are consistently holding you accountable to the expectations along the way.
Collegiate High School is a unique program. It's a dual enrollment focused program, a high school that allows students to take fully dual enrolled classes in the 11th and 12th grade while earning their high school diploma simultaneously. So what makes us unique is our students are earning the AA degree and the high school diploma by the time they graduate as a senior. What makes us even more unique is because we are a standalone school on the St. Petersburg College campus, we're able to provide tremendous support.
Mindset that we have, I think, when it comes to collaboration at Collegiate versus a traditional public school route is the ability and freedom and encouragement to be more student-centered. And so collaboration kind of starts on the first day. From the very beginning, thinking of that end in mind, like the big picture of how they can be successful on the college side with different meetings, talking about their credits, course planning. We have individualized study time.
I came from public schools, and in public schools I felt like there was a lot of wasted time and opportunity. So in Collegiate I feel like I could really make the most with my time and get as much credits as possible and really just learn real world experiences and real world applications compared to if I just went to like a traditional school.
The importance of project-based learning, they need something besides just the textbook, the sit and get that a normal classroom has. That's not how the real world works anymore. It's hands-on, it's interactive, and the PBL is one of the best ways of really bringing your content to life. So I think it's a solid strategy that educators across the board could utilize more, and again, just seeing ours in action was amazing.
This school has a lot of collaboration, and it's like a family atmosphere here because all the teachers know you, all the kids know you. I could tell you all the people in my grade and class. And the project-based learning also gave me something that I've never done before and presented in front of everyone, and it did help me with public speaking, group work, and research paper.
When we got to the power plant, obviously our research question being centered around energy, it was a very unique opportunity. Anytime we can get the class out of the classroom and into a hands-on kind of scenario where they're actually getting to interact with the topics you're talking about, it's always a plus in my book.
My experience at the power plant was very exciting. It just was very eye-opening because we were already learning about energy, but seeing actual professionals in person definitely helped our understanding more.
Project-based learning, you're putting forward a question, if you will, of something you want to learn and understand about. Ours happens to be energy and its impact in the community. We care very much about energy in the community in the future. So we wanted our students to have an opportunity to explore that.
If you're a parent or a student who's trying to decide, should I come to Collegiate? Is Collegiate the right fit for me? I would ask yourself, do you want to be seen? Because something special about our school is that you will not be invisible. The small classes, the teachers get to know you, the community of your peers, you don't fall through the cracks. That doesn't happen here.